Hello to all. Today we will talk about renewable energy resources. We will focus about solar energy. Renewable energy comes from sources which naturally are replenished on a human time scale. We are talking about solar energy, wind energy, rain, water with hydropower, tidal at the sea, waves also at the sea, and geothermal. Finally, we have biomass. Solar energy, in terms of the quantity of the available resource, is a gigantic amount if we compare with uranium, gas, oil, and coal. In this image, you can see in blue the world energy consumption per year, and in orange the annual solar radiation available in the planet. Why is energy important? If we analyze data from the last 200 years, we see that extreme poverty is closely related to other parameters, one of them being energy. The amount of people living in extreme poverty decreased from 85% to just 10% in 2015, while the population was increasing. If we see data related also with the basic education, literacy, democracy, vaccination, child mortality, all of this has contributed to decrease the extreme poverty that dramatically. And in the base of all of this is energy as a means to achieve all of these important indicators that we see here on the screen. Here we have a population forecast from 2000 onwards until 2100, where we see that since the 18th century we had 600 million people in the planet. Currently, we have already surpassed the 8 billion people in the planet, and we are supposed to be 10.9 billion people in the planet in 2100. On the other hand, you can see on pink the annual growth rate of the global world population. There was a spike in 1968 with 2.1% growth, while now, globally, we just see 1.08% growth. This decrease in growth is also related to the amount of resources available, but also with the increased literacy and education in the world. This means that population is foreseen to stabilize in 2100. In 2020, we were 7.8 billions, and in 2050 we shall be 9.7 billions. The majority of the population is currently in Asia, with China and India having pretty much the same population nowadays. The population structure and the purchasing power is also supposed to change significantly in the next years until 2100.